Hi everybody, it's Dan. If you're in love with gingerbread, then you are gonna love my gingerbread cheesecake that we're gonna be making today. It's a creamy, fluffy cheesecake that is perfectly sweet, but is also rich and flavorful with all the holiday spices that you absolutely love. And of course, paired with a quick, easy, fresh, homemade whipped cream. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Plus, if you're new in my kitchen, don't forget to subscribe and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. Now let's go ahead and dive right in and get started on our crunchy graham cracker crust. So you want to grab yourself a mixing bowl, and to that you want to add in your crushed graham crackers, your ground ginger, your ground nutmeg, and your ground cinnamon, and our melted butter. Then you just want to mix all those together until they are fully incorporated. After everything is fully combined, we're going to go ahead and we're going to transfer the crust to the springform pan. And using our hands, we're going to go ahead and we're going to start compacting the crust into the bottom of the pan and working it up the sides. Then with a tall glass or a measuring cup, we're going to go ahead and we're going to continue to compact our crust at the bottom and up the sides of our pan. The more you compact the crust, the better it will cut after baking, so make sure to really give it a nice press. With your graham cracker crust all wrapped up and ready to go, scoot it to the side, grab yourself another large mixing bowl, because now we're going to start on our cheesecake batter. First up, we want to add in all of our cream cheese. And we're going to beat that cream cheese for a good 2 minutes until it's whipped smooth. I like to start on a low speed and work my way up to a high speed. Now you can also shortcut this by using whipped cream cheese rather than cream cheese blocks. I like this as kind of like a nice little shortcut. Save up some time and get right into eating the cheesecake. Once your cream cheese is whipped nice and smoothly, we want to follow that up by adding in our brown sugar and going back in with our hand mixer on a medium-low speed and incorporate that brown sugar into our cream cheese. Once that brown sugar is incorporated with that cream cheese, as you're mixing, you want to add in 1 egg and fully incorporate that into the cream cheese before you add in your last egg. So we're going to be using 2 eggs total, but again, just mix them one at a time. Once your eggs have been incorporated to your cream cheese and brown sugar, it's going to be time to spice it up just a tiny little bit. But first, of course, it's gingerbread. We have to add in our molasses, and you want to follow that up with your ground ginger, your ground cinnamon, your ground nutmeg, and your ground cloves. Then just go back in with your hand mixer again and on a medium-low speed, incorporate all those fragrant, delicious spices into your cheesecake batter for a good minute, but you shouldn't need more than 1.5 minutes. Lastly, we're gonna blend in about 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. For me, I find flour in the cheesecake batter is an easy route to avoid cracking and makes the cheesecake a lot easier to cut. And after a couple quick easy steps, we have a delicious, spicy, sheer perfection, fragrant gingerbread cheesecake batter. All that's left to do now is to pour this into our graham cracker crust. And pop in the oven at 350 degrees and let bake uninterrupted for a full hour. Once your cheesecake has baked and set and firmed up in the fridge for a quick 2 hours, trust me, it goes very fast, all you have left to do is to top with some fresh homemade whipped cream. I'm gonna keep it simple, so I'm just gonna load it up, lots of whipped cream. But if you wanna fancy it up, maybe for a holiday party, you can top with some crushed gingerbread cookies, or tiny little gingerbread men, or any other creative ways that you like to decorate your cheesecake. Once that cheesecake is loaded up with your whipped cream and all your decorations that you want to add on, you're done. You have a thick, creamy gingerbread cheesecake that is perfect for the holidays. Full of warm spices, buttery graham cracker crust, and fresh whipped cream. That will definitely make this cheesecake the star of any meal. Pinky promise. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make my gingerbread cheesecake. If you're a fan of all things gingerbread or just fan of holiday desserts, because it's almost that time of the year, definitely give this video a like. Helps me out, lets me know I'm baking up recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. Of course, don't forget to subscribe also with that red button down below and turn notifications so you don't miss out every time I post a new video. We've got a lot more holiday treats coming up and I can't wait to share them. Plus, with the giveaway, I think we're getting close to announcing the very first winner. I'm so excited for it. I can't wait. I've been waiting so long to finally be able to do this, so you definitely want to be sure to click that bell also so you don't miss out in case you're the winner. And speaking of the KitchenAid St. Mixer giveaway, be sure to enter the giveaway with the link down below in the description. Once you enter the link, you'll have 20 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Lastly, don't forget, if you make your own gingerbread cheesecake, your own gingerbread inspired dessert, or just your own go-to holiday dessert, definitely give a tag on Instagram. You know, let me see what you're baking up in your kitchen. Alrighty, where I'm gonna go, I'm gonna grab a slice of this cheesecake. I almost said big, but maybe a small slice of this cheesecake. A big cup of coffee. Enjoy the day. Enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye!